on the boat immediately.
Oh, he broke.
Oh. Alright guys, we got the chores done. Getting all that out of the way. It's Friday afternoon. About to go hit the lake now. Unfortunately, my best friend and partner Andrew Dunkel is not going to make it today. He's got a 7-day work week. Pray for him. It's going to be a rough one. But I did manage to find a new partner and friend. His name's Nick Adams. You might know him also as Rodney Bias. He wants to try out his new Bass Tracker. Super nice boat. But he's actually a catfishing pro. So we're going to test out some bass fishing for the first time with him. And if I get my butt kicked, I'm honestly thinking about retiring. So keep me in your prayers as I go on. Doing a free giveaway this week. Go check this out. This is what the challenge is. You have to guess what my roommate's pumpkin is. Everybody gets one guess, one chance. If you guess it, we're going to give you a couple bags of worms. We'll just DM you for your address. We got the other pumpkin. Everyone can tell it's a cat. We got crazy eyes. But hey, is this a dog? Is it an aardvark? Who knows? And yeah, we light our pumpkins with gas, so a little dangerous. We live on the edge, you know. See you at the lake.
I need to go out on the highway more often. It's just, I think it's muddy.
Yeah.
And I never want to catch bait. That's my big problem.
You got catch bait first and then catch them.
Can't catch them without bait. It's not bass fishing.
Nah, you need to just quit catfishing and get you into bass fishing. Get you
See,
into
the
that.
problem is I like catching those big ones.
Big bass?
Big catfish.
I would too, after I never got a big one.
I bought that 30 pounder for like 5 or 10 minutes, I think.
Can't just like, can't just crank them in real quick. That's pretty cool.
I had 30-pound line on too.
What's up, guys? Made it to the lake. It's a beautiful day, 70 degrees. The water's looking kind of muddy. About to back up into a trash can. But we're not, we're good, we're good. I don't know, we might have to get out of these creeks and head out to the main lake if it's this muddy, but we're gonna figure it out. Get my catfishing buddy bass fishing for the first time. Pretty excited for that. Hopefully it won't wear me out too bad. Had a nice drive though. We'll see you here in a minute. Hey, new boat, we're figuring it out.
What's he do? He just dropped it in the bottom?
Yeah. He said it was just grass, and I probably would have rather just cut grass, honestly. There's something under there. It's about the size of my bait.
telling you.
Oh yeah. Should have used my bait.
I'm about to drop this log here.
This is a rough day. At least it's beautiful out. I guess when you don't got rubber dunked in the boat, your luck's just not where it usually is. We're gonna head to a holler though and try our outer luck there before the night's over. So you can tell I'm really relaxed right now. Huh? Let's get it.
You only turn it on whenever.
This one.
Feeling it, huh?
Another one. What is it?
You only turn it on whenever you're like catching something, or do you actually just
I don't know,
turn it on
honestly.
randomly sometimes?
If I feel like I'm gonna get some bites, if I just get a bite, then I'll turn it on just for a couple of minutes.
Spicy.
I've left it on for like 30 minutes before.
How is it?
Are they black lights?
No, they're just blue.
Just blue. Can you change the colors of them too, or do they stay blue?
No, it's
Man, that's pretty cool though. I wonder if the blue light keeps less bugs around.
that's what they're supposed to.
Good.
Like if you get a green, you'll get all kinds of bugs.
You doing okay?
Yes, baby.
What are you doing, Ellie? Huh? You fatty?
Oh, there's a girly girl.
Baby girls. Alright, this is day 2, Saturday. Didn't do too well with the catfishing pro Nick Adams yesterday, but we're going to take Dad out today. Well, he's going to take me. And we're going to find out if it was just me or if it was just a fight. I have a feeling it was probably just me. Catch any size though, it's weird. We know the big ones are hitting right now.
Oh, he broke.
Oh,
Broke, took my spinnerbait.
you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh.
That was a nice fish.
That
You
was-
seen?
That makes me sick.
That was the biggest one I caught at Big Man! He hit
Broke
like
the
a ton-
line.
He hit like a ton of lead.
Get that
You
net
didn't
up.
see him?
Yeah, I saw him. I was watching him.
I ruined your video, did I?
Nah, the struggle's real.
Makes me mad. Why'd that thing break?
I don't know.
He was fighting. Did you see his head?
You try to blip him like a pro.
No, I didn't. I was going down to pick him up.
Good Lord. That makes me mad, man. That would have made the video. Woo!
That's a nice fish.
Just go back down it.
Woo! Man!
That's got to be a school right there, because I had one too.
Well, he was going to town.
We'll start over. He might come back.
I don't think he's got a spinnerbait in his mouth. He's mad.
What is it?
That was a throw right after you missed that one. No, the one you had was little.
Yeah, but that's a school or something.
Mm-hmm.
2 fish in a row.
Man. My heart's beating. I wanted to get that in the boat so bad. What's wrong with me?
I'll find your way.
No, you weren't. I just held my line. I was going to reach down and grab him. Man.
My heart was just when I saw that thing. That was a nice one.
It may have been 4.
That's cool.
That's the biggest fish I've ever had hooked here. Except maybe that one on that jig.
That's huge.
I think I can have that. Those kinds of things.
Chickamauga is next weekend. It shouldn't disappoint. At least Marshall won today, I'm assuming. Yeah, check us up next week. Chickamauga. Gonna be hooking the big ones. What, Ellie? What? What?